see, no matter how physically strong you are and how intelligent you are, you will be much more productive and much more efficient when you practice the A in CIA, which is assemble your team. You want to make sure that you have both a personal team and you have a work team. Your personal team begins with everybody who's in your household. You're a supportive team together. You share each other's priorities and targets, and you help each other with self-care. You talk about implementing your structure and flow so everybody understands what needs to happen. You also want to make sure that you have your work team. Now, as business owners, solopreneurs, you may not have employees. You can have a contractor if you'd like, or you can talk to other colleagues that you have, whether they're in the speaking field or not. You can have accountability partners from different industries and from different parts of the world, and you get together once a week, once a month, whatever suits your schedule, and you keep each other accountable. It's so important to have that team, because with that team, you will be more productive and you will be more efficient.